You confess that you're in love.
Yeah, no, I am, and I feel like that'll be the main topic for the next album.
What does being in love sound like?
I went to the D flat major to the A flat. Really, it feels like balance, but always leaving you on your toes kind of thing. And that's what these little notes in between, like I could easily play. It's nice.
That's finished.
That's
yeah.
finished, but being in love is. You have like all those little intervals that are ugly,
Yeah.
but then when you add the rest of the notes, it becomes pretty.